probably brought enough underwear for tomorrow, and I just gutted it.
So we are currently at the Peaches car event. I'm going to be doing a mix of cinematography and vlogging, so I'll try to mix in as much as I can. I'll probably give Jenna my GoPro so I can capture as much as I can for content wise, but for cinematography wise, I'm going to be filming a ton with my gimbal. Whoa. Is that Midnight Purple? I can't tell. Okay, I think we found the spot. Yeah, I think we found the entrance. I mean, until we can get our tickets, we can film cars going in and out of the venue. We are at the Peaches meet. I was told it was going to be underground, but it's not underground. It is very, very busy. Not a lot of light, so pictures and video will be hard to get. But overall, the turnout, like always, is really good. I mean, Millennium Jade, R34 GTR, RWB, wow. R32 GTR, silver on white. Very nice, very nice. Quad exit.
しております。
乗ります。
すごい。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。ありがとうございました。
God, I need one of these. So when did you guys get here?
40 minutes ago? Yeah, but
Oh, so right when the meet ended?
yeah, yeah. We got here at 8:40, yeah. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful moment.
So far, what's your guys' favorite car here? Out of the 30 minutes you've been here?
Canjo Civics. I saw some Canjo Civics.
Canjo Civics?
Those are pretty dope.
I like the Pennzoil 34.
Oh, I saw that very
There's
briefly.
a lot of cool sedans too.
Me holding my camera like this, with my fingers like numb, I feel like I'm gonna drop my camera at any second.
I'd be so scared that I would too. I feel like I'm gonna drop this, and this is only $150 versus.
Well, it's also like lightweight. Holding this is like.
Oh, that's true. I'd be a lot more scared to drop that one. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, this is 370Z Nismo wheels. That's pretty sweet. Just in time. We got our passes.
Yeah.
Thank you. We definitely didn't sneak in. What gate?
There's a Sylph Company sticker on it, dude. I'm gonna nerd out for a little bit. Sylph Company is the company that manufactures a lot of the technology things in Pokemon games.
Wait, was there a sticker on that car?
Yeah, it said
Oh.
Sylph Company.
How much cooler would this meet have been if they had it inside the stadium?
I was told it was gonna be underground.
It's just called the underground meet,
Yeah.
but it's above ground.
Then-
Above ground.
Okay, cause
And
I-
everybody knows about it.
that doesn't make any sense.
The location at noon doesn't make it secret.
Yeah, exactly.
This casual M3 touring just passes by. Purple.
So mid, dude.
What?
Yeah, it doesn't have VTEC.
Oh, you're Honda guy. Yeah, right. Well, it does have an LS3 chopping by. I don't fucking like it. Miata. I photobombed your video. But did you see the S16
No?
concept?
No?
There's a concept car.
Here?
Yes, here.
Here? No, I haven't seen it.
It's called the IDX concept. It had,
Really?
it had Nismo badges on it. It was pretty
I
sweet.
didn't look around the whole thing yet.
Yeah, it wasn't really like, there were no lights on it. The lights weren't on or anything. It was just there with a rope around it.
Oh, sick, I guess.
Yeah. so-
Did it look cool?
Yeah. The front looked cool. The rear was pretty ugly in my opinion.
Did you see the? No, you didn't go to Austin today. Never mind. You'll see. You'll see tomorrow.
It's gonna be busy tomorrow.
It
I'm
was
not gonna
busy.
see
Hey,
anything.
it was busy today. You couldn't see
Yeah,
anything.
and that's what Polly said last year.
Yeah. No. Everyone's like Friday, not as crowded. Maybe not as crowded. You won't know the difference. I promise.
Well, remember Polly last year on Friday went on the first day, media day.
Yeah.
He said it was busy, and the next day it was even more busy.
It is really makes you not want to film. Like if I did a vlog at the auto salon, which I'm gonna do on Sunday, I think it would literally just be people's heads for 90% of the time.
Yeah, were people like bumping into you?
Oh yeah. It was just crowded. You couldn't. It was just crowded. I got a lot of cool stickers though.
That's cool though.
Yeah. And I did some jersey swaps.
I saw that. Yeah.
Yeah, I
the
was
stickers.
I was pretty happy about that one. Been
Stickers?
giving out my stickers. Oh, hello, beautiful. Oh,
That's so sick.
I love my sedan. I do, but
Stop looking.
yeah, right. But a coupe.
Cheater.
It just looks so yeah. Hey man, I'm in a whole different country. Different zip code.
Different zip code.
Different zip code.
Yeah. Interesting.
Should I do that to my car?
Nah, you will have no friends.
Oh. You stop being my friend?
Yep.
That's fucked.
You're scaring the hose.
Huh?
You're scaring the hose, Bilo. And I'm burning.
I don't know what I am in kilograms.
Oh. What
I
are
know
you
what I am
in?
pounds.
In pounds.
What if I put it like a sick, like edit?
60, I want to
Speed ramp?
Speed
I feel
ramp.
like 80 pounds.
Well, I was there for like you.
Guys, I only brought enough underwear for tomorrow, and I just nutted in it. That was gay.
I can have you clean it out.
Oh.
There's Bomex?
No, the freaking the underglow kit.
Oh. Why is
No bacon on the fender.
this is how they do it in Japan.
The 69 plate.
Somebody send a picture of that to Jimmy and tell him to do that.
Full Vertex S15 though?
I'm like, oh, about that. I'm like, well, Caden.
God, that's sick. Not a fan of the wheels though.
Oh yeah, the Patrick Stars. Sleepy Eye goes crazy.
Oh. Like I want to leave, but I don't. Like I'm cold as I'm fucking.
I am so layered up right now. So layered up.
Okay, you're wearing a puffer. Shut up.
No, he's Canadian.
This isn't even that
Like-
thick. Though.
Bud.
We get it.
Well, you're wearing a hoodie. You're wearing hoodie and a puffer though.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a.
Came prepared.
I'm wearing this.
This is actually, he's probably hot right now.
I'm kind of warm.
Fuck you. So I'm like tired and done for the night, but I want to see this thing get loaded up on this sick ass trailer. R34 Pennzoil. What is this, like an GT thing? I wonder if it's too loud for them to start it, so they just pushed it. I say start it.
I'm like, can I? Do you guys need help pushing it?
I'll put my dirty mitts on it.
Yeah, I would love to touch it. It's calling back up. I'll do it.
Why don't they start it? I think it's too loud. I think they'll get in trouble.
Do you think if I asked them if I could help push the levy?
No, not a chance. I know they're calling people for help. Because think about it, if you push on it in the wrong place and you crack it, someone's getting fired.
I volunteered.
A volunteer's tribute. How much for the tow truck? Really? Dude, imagine pulling up to a meet in this thing and the fucking tow truck opens like that. Do you think it raises up so you can fit more?
I wouldn't be surprised.
It might.
I wouldn't be surprised at all.
Like a jack lift almost?
Yeah.
Everyone trying to get a picture on the trailer. Wow, look at these Ford's mags. TE37. Did you hear me talk to the guy?
What do you say?
I said kakui shigoto. That means cool job.
Oh yeah.
He said, oh, thank you. I wish I could communicate more. How does one get this job?
Yeah.
I kind of want to see this thing shut.
Imagine you like hang some flags up in there so when you open like the no bories come down.
Oh yeah.
Bro, you can put TV screen on the back one right there. Like imagine taking this to Pete's, bro.
I want to know what tow truck this is and how much it costs. Look, so this transport truck, you have to put it on a front ramp so they can angle it so they can put a slammed car into it a little easier so they don't scrape as much. Oh shit, look.
Is that it?
Yeah, this is it.
Oh, what the heck?
The fact it runs, I'm kind of surprised.
Okay, pretty cool.
It's supposed to have a 4-cylinder turbo.
Is it electric?
No, it's
No?
supposed to, this might be electric, but the concept in 2013 was supposed to be a 4-cylinder turbo. Oh, I was right. It does kind of lift up. That's so sick.
Why is he tiptoeing in his Jordans for me?
Guess it's coming.
Took my air tracker again.